Hey, what's up? Hello, how are you? Okay, now let's talk about 1962 D. Lincoln Penny. Okay, first let's read what is written on the coin. In God we trust, liberty, 1962 D. At the reverse of the coin, United States of America, e pluribus unum. FG, the designer's initial, 1 cent, and the Lincoln Memorial. Okay, now let's find out the value or the price of a 1962 D Lincoln penny in top condition. Yeah, in top condition. Okay, here we go. Uncirculated 1962 D Lincoln pennies are worth around 10 cents to 20 cents apiece, while the most valuable 1962 D penny was graded by Professional Coin Grading Service as MS67RD and fetched $12,000 in a 2013 auction. Wow, $12,000 for 1962 D Lincoln penny graded MS67RD by PCGS. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting and have a great day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.